Today we'll be taking a look at the Peterson Armored Clearance and Side Marker Trailer Light. This is going to give you better visibility for your trailer, since it's going to allow other drivers to see where you are and also stay safe and DOT compliant. It's going to be a metal housing to keep our light protected, and that's also going to be a surface mount design, so our ground connection will be made by that metal surface making contact with our trailer. So we'll just have one wire to actually connect. It does not come with any mounting hardware for this, so you will have to pick some up on your own. It has an incandescent bulb in there, and to replace that you'll just need to remove the two Phillips head screws in that housing. The nice thing about this light is that it does have a Viber socket, which is kind of like a little rubber socket to help absorb any road shock, to help make that light last a little bit longer so you don't have to worry about replacing it prematurely. So it's just kind of a softer material to help absorb some of that vibration. Lens just goes right back over it. Put our two tabs in place, and then we can tighten those screws down. The bulb type for this light is 168, which you can find pretty commonly. Put our other bracket in place, and then we'll go over some measurements. This light is compatible with 12-volt DC systems, and it is PC rated, which basically means that it can be seen from both the front and the side and be still effective as long as it's mounted properly. The overall length of our housing is about 4.5 inches from that curve to the other side. It's about 2.25 inches tall, and then about 1.25 inch thick. The distance between our mounting holes, which are diagonal from each other, but the distance between those two would be 3 3/8 inches. The diameter of each of those holes is about 3/16. The power draw at 12 volts is 0.35 amps. It is made in the USA. I'm going to hook it up to a power source here so we can see just how bright it is. My power to the wire there, and then my ground, I can really go to any of those metal surfaces and that'll ground out the light. So you can see, turn on the power source, it turns on. Turn out the lights in the studio and get a better idea of just how bright it is. You can see from the side we still can clearly see that that light is on, so that's why we get that PC rating. So it can be used as a clearance light and a side marker light at the same time, again, as long as it's mounted properly. This works as an exact replacement for the Optronics number MC82AB, truck light number 20309Y, and the Grote 45173. And that's going to do it for our look at the Peterson Armored Clearance and Side Marker Light.